Hello everybody, so my name is Win Johnson. I'm a first year student from UNISA doing the model CIC 26. I will introduce for my lesson plan. I have a video here, number blocks kindergarten math fun. It will be explaining the general count from 1 to 10, different shapes, as well as educate the students on how to use terms like shorter than and longer than. The video is also a substitute for me not having to draw on the board, which makes it all more fun for the students and more engaging. In this development phase, the learners will play with hands-on concrete material while watching the video as well to gain better understanding. And the smart board will give immediate feedback as the videos will be played through the projector onto the whiteboard. For consolidation, the learners will use tablets and they will answer assessments that I have made personally myself on Google Docs. And then they will have to drag shapes and compare them before I take them onto concrete materials. Overall, ICT has helped students and those who struggle with concrete material and learn through tech faster to also feel more engaged and be present in the class, as well as be more educated. So far, using the SMAR, it has helped me think about how tech improved learning and not just replaced it. And through all of that, I can say that the kids have better understandings. The videos that they get to watch are more engaging. They get to understand more. And overall, the integration of computers in the classrooms are of crucial beneficiary. As the students grow older, technology will be integrated more and more, and the opportunities that students will have through technology is endless. The technology also allows students to work at their own pace because I will be able to go back and forth on the video. The video will be able to play as many times as it has to, just to make sure that the kids do understand everything that they need to understand. However, using the concrete material with tech and fast finishes, it will allow students to be more engaged and more active in class, resulting to a better understanding. A better understanding results to better marks. And that is my reflection. Thank you very much.